The foreign period authority to America.
Get ready for the launch of a new phenomenon.
Blast off! Fasten your seatbelt. It's gonna be a bumpy ride.
Paramount Pictures and Nickelodeon present
Got a blast.
Jimmy Neutron, Boy Genius.
Does anybody know where we can get a lot of raw plutonium?
Paramount Pictures and Nickelodeon do not advocate the preteen use of plutonium.
Oops.
This is Jimmy's Family.
Jimmy Neutron, you march.
Oh, now, Sugar Booger.
Oh, don't you sugar booger me.
Sugar Booger.
No. Not this thing. No.
Booger.
This is his dog.
Goddard is a custom-built cybernetic canine with an optical fiber neural.
Yeah, that's really interesting, Jimmy. Humphrey can play dead.
Play dead, Goddard. Good boy, Goddard.
This
This is my hypno beam.
is his Hypno Beam.
Observe. Go, Jimmy, go!
And this
DNA match confirmed.
is the sneak preview of his new movie.
James Isaac Neutron, you get yourself down here this instant.
Oh, you gotta admit, that is pretty neat.
Don't try that at home.
Only from Paramount.
You never do anything right. You never put anything in its place. No one ever told you. Fail your face.
A boy named Charlie Brown, the world-famous comic strip character Charlie Brown in his first full-length motion picture.
Fail your face.
Charlie Brown, the Snoopy, Linus, Sally Brown, Big Ben, Schroeder, Lucy Van Pelt, and the rest of the Peanuts gang in their first full-length motion picture.
Charlie Brown did it! That has a lovely ring. Something to make us spark on the red line. Something that kids can sing. Champion Charlie Brown inspired, setting the whole wide world on fire. Why all the lights break out just confetti? Cause all the bells do sound. He's gotta be most definitely Champion Charlie Brown. Champion Charlie Brown. Champion Charlie Brown. Good grief.
The Boy named Charlie Brown is now available on home video only from Paramount.
It's Nick Jr. Here comes the show now. Nick Jr.'s on video. Get ready, get set, let's go. It's Nick Jr. on video.
Available now on video. Look for Nick Jr.'s newest shows. From Bill Cosby and Nick Jr. comes Little Bill,
Hello, Freddie.
who shows everyone it's great to be 5.
Good morning. Good morning. It's a happy day today.
Not the D word. That show's
How do we get to the
scary.
little blue tree?
Guess
And there's
what?
no shortage of
That show's
play-along adventure
so
with
scary,
Dora the
too.
Explorer.
Come on,
Everybody,
Everybody,
Two,
let's go.
three.
Both available now on video cassette. Also look for Little Bear. Be a detective with Little Sherlock Bear.
A mystery for Detective Little
And
Bear.
think along with Steve to find out what Blue wants in all kinds of signs and playtime with Periwinkle. 2 new videos from Blue's Clues.
Thank you so much for all your help today.
You can collect them all on home video. Plus, keep an eye out for Blue's first feature-length hit, Blue's Big Musical Movie, on video cassette and DVD.
It's Nick Jr. Here comes the show now. Nick Jr.'s on video.
Now available on home video only from Paramount. Over from Paramount, Nova.
Maurice Sendak's Little Bear.
Hello down there.
And now there's even more to love. Because Little Bear is starring in his first feature-length film.
Yay!
It's the Little Bear movie.
You're funny, Little Bear.
You can join Little Bear and his pals as they help their new friend Cub find his way back home.
Oh, can I go too? We can all go. Follow me.
Featuring 2 new songs. It's Little Bear's first feature-length movie, coming this summer. Available only on video and DVD.
Only from Paramount. The following video is alright to America that's rated G. Over Paramount and Nickelodeon movies.
Hold on, guys. I got some wedgies.
Rugrats in Paris, the movie.
Here we go.
The Rugrats are going to Paris. And Paris will never be the same. Rugrats in Paris, the movie.
You're just as dumb over sneeze as you are at home. Somebody got up on the wrong side of the bread.
Now available on video and DVD only from Paramount. Excuse me.
Your votes are in. You've selected the 10 best Rugrats episodes of the past decade. The new Rugrats 10th Anniversary Decade in Diapers Collector's Edition. 10 Rugrats episodes you voted the best of all time, now on 2 videos.
This is the greatest thing that's ever happened.
Share the laughter, the fears,
We're doomed.
the adventures,
Follow me, go where no baby's ever gone before.
the diapers. The Rugrats Decade in Diapers. The 10 best Rugrats episodes ever in a 2-volume collector's edition. As chosen by... No, you, and you. And here's another reason to celebrate. Look for the Rugrats like you've never seen them before. In All Grown Up, coming soon to video. So celebrate the Rugrats 10th anniversary with a Decade in Diapers collector's edition. And the Rugrats All Grown Up, coming to video this summer.
Only from Paramount.
And now we're pleased to bring you our feature presentation.
Let it only for non-commercial private. Let it homes any book of a form of the use or copies first all right rights to copyright reverse. Paramount.
Nice. Save thousands on select homes at the Red Tag sale. You're welcome.
Kipper the dog, full parts opinions.
They call him Kipper. Kipper the dog. The dog with the slipper. That's Kipper. Kipper the dog. By the way, that's a toad, not a frog. Now he can do this. Do you think that you could? And he can do that, which is more than any old cat could. Would you like a dog, like a dog, like a dog, like a dog, like Kipper? That's Kipper.